Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, roll it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to
Take Maurice for a ransom.
I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We fear how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.
I don't wanna rap all the time, it's long. I say how I feel, it just happens to rhyme. I thought my problems would go and I got me some money, this ain't what I had in my mind. I've been in the States for a month, now I'm hearing my dog say I've left him behind. She give me head on a flight when we land. The clock go back, I'm ahead of my time. 016 OG told me I should be in the trap, but I'm rapping instead. Done it again, 10:30 just made me a 10, ain't got out of bed. Hunting there, but I run out of lead. One cool mate, blow steep, blam out your head. We the ones putting on west, not them. They got more money than sense.
Don't let that Henny in my system. I get your body, next day I forget it. Nigga Dre just caught a body. And that's on the game, nigga I was just with him.
Ебучая, сука, ты меня заебала, тварь ты ебаная, а! Сука!